We request the did a bit more on the RB today. Tagline bracket fitted. That looks good. We were going to stow the pin on the jib, but unfortunately the clamshell rope clutch is stuck, so we decided to drag the bucket across. Bucket repaired. That's all done. Rotten bit of the roof section cut out. But the rain has come in and spoiled it again. It wasn't forecast today, but a fair bit's been done. So see, bolts in, 8 bolts. The bucket. Cabs. Took the valve bits out, so a new bit's going to go in there, and should be a good one. But unfortunately, the rain's come in. We run the engine up at a close look. The engine looks like a air manifold problem, not a head problem. So it looks like a joint gone. So yeah, we're getting there slowly. So yeah, I'm pleased with that. That's really good. Yeah, it's much stronger than it was originally. So till next time, we should be back on the RB to do a bit more. So that's it for now. Bye.